wiggle out. What is the problem?
The problem is this pin here keeps coming out, and eventually what will happen if you don't watch it, it'll come out and the bed will actually tilt because the pin will come out. The old style's got a hole in the middle, and they're known to break right in the middle where that hole's gone through, and that also will cause your bed to go weird. What we're going to do is install the update, which puts a collar here and the holes in the end. This way it also can't rotate. The collar secures it from rotating and doing anything funny.
Beautiful.
Now with the hole in the end, it doesn't compromise the strength of the pin between the pivots. Before you had a load here and a load here and that hole in the middle, and it would snap right there. Well, now with this update, there's no weakness in the pivot point, so it can't break as easy like the other ones would.
The hole's drilled on the end.
The hole is now drilled on the end and comes with this collar to locate it. That just gets welded in place.